Hey guys, it's Alex, and welcome back to the 7th episode of my series called Airbnb v2.0. I hope it's the 7th episode, or else I would have messed up, really bad. But what we did in the last episode was we created, the slider, with the back, with the next and previous buttons, and it works. But if you remember, in the Airbnb site where, when we started it, there was a slider. Now there obviously isn't, but the slider slided automatically, I think every 5 seconds. So that's what we're gonna attempt to do right now. So I actually changed this to 500, fade in, fade out. So everywhere where it says 300, fade in and fade out, just change it all to 500. Not really much of a difference. Looks a little bit smoother probably. What if we do actually, let's say 1,000. Okay, that's gonna be 1 second basically, but hold on, let's see. Let's clear the cache. Yeah, that's way too slow. So we're gonna leave it at 500. I think it looks alright. Okay. So what we're gonna try to do in this episode is we're gonna make it slide automatically, which is pretty simple. And then we're also going to create little dots here, so whenever we slide, the dots change. Pretty simple to do as well. Probably gonna be a really long tutorial, but let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is attempt to make it slide automatically. So how we're gonna do that, I'm just gonna copy everything here inside and delete it. And then I'm gonna create another function called next slide, and then I'm gonna put it in here. And now when we click right jumbotron arrow, we're gonna run next slide. Let's see if it works. It works. Alright, now we're also gonna copy this and do the same thing. I'm gonna define a function previous slide. Okay, now we're gonna call the function previous slide whenever we click on left jumbotron arrow. Let's refresh. Works pretty good. Let me just clear the cache so we're 100% sure that it works. Okay, cool. Alright, now to slide automatically, I'm gonna write a comment first. So automatically slide to reveal next slide. We're gonna create a function. I think we'll set interval. Yeah, we'll set interval, and we're gonna say next slide, and then every 5 seconds, so 5,000 milliseconds. Let's refresh. Wait, hold on a second. Why is the active on slide 2? Hold on, that's really weird. It's not even sliding. Set interval, okay, because we need to do document.ready. Okay, document.ready function. So whenever the document loads, we're gonna run this function. So set interval is a function, but the reason it became slide 2 is because when the page get renders, it sees that this says next slide, so that's why it automatically changed the slide. So now let's refresh. What? The second slide again? That's weird. Let's see after 5 seconds if something will happen. Alright, let's clear the cache and see if that's a problem. No, it's not the problem. Okay, what if we remove the parentheses here? Next slide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay, that works. Okay, cool. Is 5 seconds a lot? I don't know. I mean, let's alright, 5,000 milliseconds. That looks set intro. That's really weird. Let's try like 100, just to see if it works. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. It skips 1, I think. Oh no, it doesn't. Okay, let's just do 1 second. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, cool. I guess we can do like 4,000, so 4 seconds. So 1, no, counts to 4. 2 counts to 4. 3 and so on. Okay, I'm gonna comment this out because I don't want it to be like this while we are working on the dots, because it's really annoying. Where are we gonna put the dots? So obviously we're gonna have to create a container for the dots. So Jumbotron wrapper, after here slides wrapper. Alright, we are going to put it after slides wrapper, and we're gonna say div id slides. I want to say pagination, but it's not pagination. I don't know, slide dots, whatever. And then we're gonna say div class dot. Actually, no content, so div class dot, and 3 times. Because there are 3 slides, so div class dot slash div. There we go. Now let's change the CSS here. What was it called? Slides dot slides wrapper. Hold on a second now. Jumbotron wrapper. Oh, okay. I guess it's everything under one comment. So what was it called? Man, I'm really horrible with remember things. So slides dots. What? Dots or dot? Slides dots. Okay. Okay, cool. So position absolute. We're gonna have to define a width. I don't know. I'm gonna say like with 100%, and then background color yellow just to see, and then height also 100%. Okay. Now I'm gonna say dot. I want to style the dot to see how big it's gonna be. So position, I don't know, relative, display inline block with I don't know, 30 pixels, height 30 pixels, border radius 30 pixels, and then color background color 333. That's nope, way too big. 15, 15, 15. Let's try 10. 10, 10, 10. Okay, I think that's let's see. Yeah, okay, that looks good. Okay, and then I'm gonna say FFF because background color is teal, and teal looks really good. Okay, so we're gonna add Webkit. Wait, hold on, let me open up my CSS browser support. Border radius. Webkit and Moz. Okay, it's really cool to have this file. I wrote it myself, but I don't remember it. Webkit. So, I mean, I just went to w3schools.com and I checked for absolutely every CSS attribute, if it requires a prefix, and I just wrote it down. So, Webkit, border radius, 10 pixels. Moz, border radius, 10 pixels. Cool. Now, let's add a margin. So, margin 0, 15 pixels. Oh, we can't add margins, what the hell? Okay, I wrote margin Y double N. Oh god, nope. Yeah, that's good. Okay, so it's gonna be 5 pixels, 10 pixels. I mean, I'm gonna have to remove the background color because I can't see anything. Okay, so 5 pixels, 10 so 30 pixels plus 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's gonna be 50 pixels. So it's gonna be width 50 pixels. Height auto, or I mean, let's leave it auto. It's obviously 10 pixels, but I don't see why not. Just Okay. I'm gonna say background color yellow or red actually, so I can see it. God damn it. If it's 51, will it work? Nope. Okay. I don't see the problem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 5 is 20 plus 30. It's 50. But why 60? What the? What if we do like 69? Will it break? This thing. I want it to be pixel perfect, so 67. Alright, so 68. Okay. For some reason, it's okay. What if we do? Because I want it to be in the absolute center. So what if we do margin right, 5 pixels? Okay, and then dot last of type margin right none. Actually, no, 0. Okay. And so now it's gonna be 15 plus 30, which is 45. Why the hell? 48. Maybe when you add border radius, the width is not 10 pixels. That's a possibility. Okay, well, we have 48, but divided 2 is 24, so we are gonna say left 50% and then margin left minus 24 pixel. There we go. It's absolute center. And remove this. Come on. And then let's say bottom 20 pixels or something. There we go. What is gonna be the color when it's active? So I obviously want to give the first one a class of active. So active. Oops. So dot active background color 333. Let's see that. Yeah, that looks really good. I mean, it looks stunning. Okay. So now we're gonna go in our JS, in our JavaScript. I don't know why I say JS, but what we're gonna do now is we're basically gonna create the same variables and that's basically the same thing. So var next, actually current dot equals dot active var next dot equals dot no, what am I doing? Current dot next. Excuse my extremely squeaky squeaky chair because it's pretty old and I have to buy a new one, but Okay, so now I'm gonna say current dot fade out 500 dot remove class active current no next dot fade in 500 dot add class active. Let's try that out. What? That's really weird. Fade. Oh my god. I don't want to fade out. I just want to remove the class. That's why. And now it doesn't work at all. What the? Oh, yeah, because here. There we go. Yep, works pretty well. Now we're gonna say, obviously, dot first dot add class active. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna basically do the absolute same thing here. So var current dot equals dot active, and then var previous dot equals current dot previous. Okay, now current dot add class active, and then previous dot remove, nope, add class active, but here we should have done remove class. Can't navigate to it. Okay, there we go. Now dot last add class active. Let's refresh and let's check it out. That's pretty much it. I don't want to end the tutorial yet because I want to do, like, I don't know, just finish up the sliders or something. But it's as easy as that. Okay, we're gonna do something extremely easy. I mean, we're not gonna go into details because I don't remember how the slides were styled. So we're basically gonna do this. H1 why book inexpensive hotel when you can book a cheap apartment. I don't know if that's a really bad motto, but whatever. And then we're gonna open a lorem ipsum generator. Lipsum. Okay. Damn. Let's say we're 20. Nope, 30. Oh wait, hold on a second. I was looking at the wrong paragraph. Yeah, that's good. Then paragraph. Now here we're gonna say H1. You just choose that we have you covered anywhere you go. Again, really cheesy, but who cares? P, and then last one, H1. Choose from. Oh, let's see what it says in the official site of Airbnb. We believe in a world where anyone can belong. Okay, we believe in a world where anyone can belong, could belong, or can belong. Can belong, okay. Can belong. Obviously, that's against the ban of, several countries, but whatever. Let's style them. So slide. We're going to let's do it here. So slide H1, color FFF, font weight, I don't know, 400. Okay, text align center, max width 550 pixels, position relative, margin 0 auto. Boom. Okay, let's do 15 pixels. Okay, now slide P, color CCC, font size 16 pixels. You're gonna say like font size 28 pixels. Okay, text align left, max width 650 pixels, position. When we do max width, it doesn't get aligned to the center, so I mean we did text align left, but if we want it to be text align left and in the center, so it's not like this paragraph is in the center right here, we're just gonna do position relative margins. It's really that simple. There we go. Although we might want to do it in the center. I don't know. I don't know. It looks like really short text, so I'm just gonna do like 2 sentences of it. Damn it. Come on. There we go. Okay. Looks cool. Not really sure on the color of the paragraph, so maybe color FFF here. And then we can do color 333 here. It's gonna have a contrast, which does not look good. Let's go. Did we include 700? 300? I don't know why we have 300. Oh wait, no, actually I think it's a good idea that we have, okay, so font weight 300. That looks weird. No, it does not look good. I don't know, 666. It's gonna look good. No, I was wrong. 999. Wait, why am I making let's do 555. Nope, 444. I don't know. I have an idea. Color FFF, font weight, I don't know. Let's leave it like this. And then, wait, why is our select black? Because this is not my code and I did not write that. I would have never. Oh, it's 333. We did define 333. Now let's make it 66 CCC. Sorry. I mean that's way too dark. Yeah, there we go. Slide PP. Slide P color FFF. Sure, why not? Yeah, but let's make this 30 pixels, and then this font weight 17 pixels. Font weight, what the hell am I writing here? Font size 17 pixels. Yeah, okay, that looks good. Yeah, so obviously, you know, we have, you know, I don't know what that's called, but it looks pretty good. So that's gonna be it for this tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed. And in the next tutorial, we are going to create this. We are gonna create this. Okay, so yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.